द ग्रेट इंडियन नॉवल। राहुल जी को अगर महाभारत और चक्रव्यूह के विषय में विस्तृत जानकारी लेनी है तो अपने उस सांसद से वो संपर्क कर सकते हैं।
The gentleman has repeatedly taken my name and quoted me, and I should be grateful that he has revived the 35-year-old book of mine.
मगर इस बार महाभारत पर मैंने एक नई पुस्तक पढ़ी जो उनकी पार्टी के विद्वान सांसद, जो इस सदन के सदस्य भी हैं, उन्होंने लिखी है और उस पुस्तक का नाम है द ग्रेट इंडियन नॉवल। राहुल जी को अगर महाभारत और चक्रव्यूह के विषय में विस्तृत जानकारी लेनी है तो अपने उस सांसद से वो संपर्क कर सकते हैं। और मैं बताऊंगा, शशि थरूर जी ने शायद वही राहुल गांधी जी को बता दें या बताएंगे, नहीं तो मैं बता देता हूं कि आपने महाभारत और भारत के स्वतंत्रता संघर्ष को मिलाकर जो उपन्यास लिखा है उसके पात्र कौन कौन हैं। इस उपन्यास में धृतराज के रूप में किस नेता को दिखाया गया है, कौरव किस पार्टी को कहा गया है, इस उपन्यास में प्रिय दुर्योधनी कौन है। जब राहुल जी को इसका पता चलेगा तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं शशि थरूर जी पर कार्रवाई ना हो जाए।
The gentleman has repeatedly taken my name and quoted me, and I should be grateful that he has revived the 35-year-old book of mine, which he has quoted extensively, the great Indian novel published in 1989, which is a satirical novel, which unfortunately the gentleman has missed the satire. I do want to point out, sir, that the fact is that we have recently fought the elections of 2024 and not the elections of 1989. So that's the first point, is to understand the context in which this has been written. Second, and more important, sir, I think it's important to understand that whereas many things have been said in the course of writing novels, there are also many subsequent books I have written which he could have quoted where he may be somewhat less happy with the result. And thirdly, sir, as far as there are many people on that side of the fence who have said many things far more recently against their own party, which he should remember can also be quoted back at them. So I think at this point, sir, this is not a literary discussion. I'm grateful for this, but I don't believe this is the right way to proceed in this matter. Thank you, sir.